Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the chapter trial balance and rectification of errors with the help of a practical question given in NCERT, that is question number 14. A new type of error will be explained to you on the basis of this question. So first of all, see question number 14 of NCERT. This is question number 14. You can take the screenshot of the same question if you are not having the book. Take the screenshot of question number 15. Now I am reading out the question. Rectify the following errors. Rectify means we need to correct. Errors means the mistakes. So whatever mistakes have been done by the accountant here are to be rectified. So the very first error done by the accountant is in transaction A. I am reading out transaction A. Furniture purchased for rupees 10,000. Furniture purchased. Whenever furniture is purchased, then at that time, according to rules of debit and credit, furniture as an asset whenever increases are to be shown on the debit side. So the purchase of furniture will be shown by the name of furniture on the debit side, and cash will be outgoing. Cash is also an asset. It will decrease in asset as per rules of debit and credit is shown on the credit side. So the journal entry which was to be passed, which is a correct journal entry and needed to be passed according to this transaction, is furniture account debit to cash. See, I have written 3 entries of each and every transaction. The very first transaction is A. For A transaction, that is very first transaction, the entry which was needed to be passed in the books was furniture account debit to cash. I have marked here tick mark. Okay, tick mark I have used here. Tick mark means this is right entry. And second entry I have crossed. Why I have crossed? First of all, read out the complete transaction. Transaction A. Wrongly debited to purchase account means instead of debiting purchases, what we have debited? Purchase. Okay. Instead of debiting furniture account, we debited purchase. See, purchase account was debited. Instead of debiting furniture, what was debited? Purchase account. Cash was correctly credited in both the entries, so no need to focus on credit side of the journal entry. Only a need is there to focus on the debit side of both the entries. Furniture should be placed on the correct place, that is debit side, and we have to nil the effect of purchases account. In order to nil the effect of purchase account, what we need to just change the side of purchases account from debit to credit side, and furniture will be placed on the debit side. The journal entry, that is the rectified one. Rectified journal entry will be furniture account debit to purchases account. Okay. So this is the rectification of the very first transaction given in NCERT book. Okay, the same rectified journal entry will be journalized in the journal entry format. See the journal entry format. In the journal entry format, I have journalized the entry, rectified entry. Furniture account debit to purchases account, 10,000 rupees. This amount is mentioned in the book. Okay, what we have done, furniture purchased wrongly debited to purchases account Now it is rectified. Okay, whatever we have done in the journal entry, that as a narration we have written in the brackets. ठीक है, right? Within the bracket we have written what we have done in the journal entry. Narration means the explanation of the same journal entry we have passed. Okay, now I am reading out the second transaction. Machinery purchased on credit from Raman. Here machinery is purchased. According to rules of debit and credit, machinery as an asset is increasing, and asset increase means it is to be written on the debit side of the journal entry. So machinery will be written on the debit side of the journal entry as asset is increasing according to rules of debit and credit. From Raman means Raman is the creditor of the business unit. Creditor whenever increases as per rules of debit and credit is to be shown on the credit side. So the journal entry to be passed is machinery account debit to Raman. Okay, this is the rectified, and this is the correct journal entry which is to be passed, which was needed to be passed. Okay, C. B. Machinery account debit to Raman. Okay, this is the column of correct entries. Machinery account debit to Raman. Okay, but what was done by the accountant was recorded through purchase book. Means instead of debiting machinery, what was debited? Machinery was debited. ठीक है, machinery was debited. Okay, this is wrong. C. Purchases account debit to Raman. Instead of debiting machinery, what was debited? Purchases. This was wrong done by accountant. This was the error. This was the mistake. So what we need to do on the credit side, we are seeing, ठीक है, the correct posting and the correct credit is done in both the cases. That is in the correct entry and the wrong entry. Means on the credit side, Raman is credited, which is right, because Raman is the creditor. But where the mistake is done on the debit side, instead of debiting machinery, what was debited? Machinery was replaced by purchases. Purchases account was not to be debited. So error is on the debit side. We should focus on the debit side, right? We have to nil the effect of purchases. In order to nil the effect of purchases, we need to change the side of purchases. So purchases will be written on the credit side of the rectified entry. Machinery account debit to purchases account. This is the rectified journal entry, and the same journal entry will be generalized, will be written in the journal entry format. See, in the journal entry format, machinery account debit to purchases account. Right. Now, next. I am skipping. I am leaving this or say skipping the transaction C as a homework for you. Okay. Now I will explain the fourth transaction, that is D1. Repairs on overhauling of second-hand machinery. ठीक है. What we are doing? We are doing the repairing work of the second-hand machinery. Purchase rupees 2000 was debited to repairs account. If we are doing any repair work to machinery, then at that time machinery account is always debited. But instead of debiting machinery account, what was debited here? Repairs account. See, the entry should be machinery account debit to cash, but what was done? Repairs account debit to cash was done here. See, machinery account to debit to cash, right? This is correct. Okay, we have debited machinery and it is correct to debit machinery. But what accountant did? See, cross mark is here in this column. Means this is the column of wrong entries. What accountant did? He debited repair account, which is wrong. Okay, instead of debiting repair account, what was to be debited? Machinery account. So we need to nil the effect of repair account here. In order to nil the effect of repair account, we need to change the side of repair. And hence the rectified journal entry will be machinery account debit to repair account. This is the rectified journal entry. Okay. The same journal entry will be written in the journal entry format. This is the journal entry format. C. C is the third transaction is homework for you. D transaction, machinery account debit to repair account. And one more homework, E transaction for you. Okay. So the three transactions, rectified journal entries, I have explained to you. Only what you need to do as a homework is transaction C and E. You have to pass the rectified journal entries for transaction C and E. Okay, right? Till then, you can just take the screenshot. First, take the screenshot of the very first part, the working notes. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now, take the screenshot of the solution. I did. Okay. Take the screenshot till here first. Now take the screenshot of next part. Yes. Right. Okay. So copy the solution in your fair notebook. Okay. And try to solve the third transaction and the fifth transaction, that is C and E part. You need to just pass the rectified journal entries. Okay. Right. The explanation in the form of YouTube link will be shared in the class group. Repeatedly you watch the class group video shared with you. Okay. And if after repeatedly watching the video also if you are facing the problem, then ask the problems, get your problems solved by sharing your problems with me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.